Hi, I'm Kirsten and welcome back to Audio Trends TV. We are very excited today because we have the brand new Wharfedale Dovedale speakers. Now these are a 90th anniversary edition and wow, just wow. We love the look of them. We love playing them. We've only had them for a week or so, but everyone in the shop is very excited. So today we thought we'd take you through some of the best features of this speaker. So let's take a look. Based on the original Dovedale released in 1959, these Dovedales are the first to be manufactured in the Wharfedale UK facility in Cambridgeshire. The Dovedale is a true classic with old school charm wherever you look at it. The cabinet has a vintage look, yet the standard of finish is distinctly contemporary with its real wood walnut veneer. This is a three-way stand mount model, which is a rarity in the modern era. It retains similar proportions to the classic Dovedale models of the past. The originals were well known for their rich and natural sound quality, and the new model carries on that tradition, but also adds excellent dynamic abilities to the mix. Combining a sweet sounding soft dome tweeter with natural yet dynamic black woven Kevlar mid-range and bass drivers. Now regarding amplification, these bad boys can definitely handle 250 watts in a larger room, but you can use 100 watt amplification when using in a smaller room. The supplied black steel stands that you see here comes with a classy glass insert down the bottom there, and also comes with hardened high carbon steel spikes as well as spike shoes to protect your hardened floorboards or anywhere else you might be putting them. Now as you can see, I'm not exactly a 6 foot tall person, but these speakers are big, so you definitely don't want to be cramming them into a small room. And you certainly wouldn't want to be placing them too close to rear or side walls. They really need that space to encourage the big sound that we know that they're capable of. So guys, that is the Wharfedale Dovedales. Don't forget, they are made in the UK, so it's quality all the way. We here at Audio Trends love them. Every time we walk past the room they're playing in, we stop and have a listen because it's just such beautiful sound. If you're interested in coming in and having a listen to them, come down to our showroom. We're in Ringwood, Melbourne. You can give us a call on the number above or check them out on our website, audiotrends.com.au. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.